Holy Spirit Hospital, a 300-bed multi-speciality tertiary care center at Andheri East, Mumbai, has been NABH accredited since 2010. The physiotherapy department would like to show you few basic exercises to achieve your fitness goals.
Basic exercise for back. First exercise is bridging. Please bend your both the knees one by one. Keep your hand aside. Now lift your waist up such that your hip, knee and shoulder is in one line. Hold this position for 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. We'll repeat it again. दोनों घुटनों को मोड़ लीजिए एक एक करके. हाथ बाजू में रखिए. अब कमर को ऊपर की तरफ लेकर 5 गिनने तक रोकिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. कमर को नीचे ले लीजिए. Second exercise is static adduction. Bend your both the knees one by one. Now keep the ball between your knees. Press both the knees together for 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. We'll repeat it again. दोनों घुटनों को मोड़कर घुटनों के बीच में बॉल रखिए. अब दोनों घुटनों से बॉल को दबाने की कोशिश करिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. रिलैक्स. Third exercise is straight leg raise. Lift your leg straight up without bending the knee to 30 to 35 degree. Hold this position for 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. We'll repeat it again. पैरों को ऊपर सीधा लेना है, घुटना ना मोड़ते हुए 30 से 35 डिग्री तक. 5 तक गिनती करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. नीचे ले लीजिए पैर. Fourth exercise is heel slides with core contraction. Pull your tummy in. While maintaining the pull, slide your heel on the bed towards your buttocks. Now straighten your leg and relax. We'll repeat it again. पैर को मोड़िए. अब धीरे से पैर को सीधा करिए. Relax. Fifth exercise is prone on elbows. Lie down on your stomach. Put weight on both your elbows such that it's just below the shoulder. Now, lifting your chest, look up. Count for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. दोनों कोहनियों को कंधे के नीचे रखिए. अब दोनों हाथों पे वजन देते हुए छाती को ऊपर लेंगे. अब 5 तक गिनती करिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. छाती को नीचे लीजिए. Relax. Sixth exercise is cat and camel pose. Put weight on both the hands and knees, keeping your elbows straight. Now, while looking up, arch your lower back. And while looking down, stretch your upper back as much as you can. We'll repeat it again. Relax. दोनों कोहनियों को सीधा रखकर दोनों हथेली और घुटनों पे वजन देना है। अब ऊपर की तरफ देखते हुए कमर नीचे लीजिए और नीचे की तरफ देखते हुए पीठ को ऊपर की तरफ लीजिए। रिलैक्स।